I already made 5 videos on solution to my Excel challenges using Excel 365 dynamic array formulas. You can watch those videos. This is my 6th video where I will show you how to solve the problem of challenge 6. So let me explain the problem first. The first column of this table contains the product and the second column contains the shade number. The other columns contain the color variant. My case is I want to remove the entire row if the numbers are greater than 5 under the color variant CA, ED or JK. For example, you can see this number is greater than 5, which is 7 under the color variant CA. So I will remove this entire row. Again, this number is 6, which is greater than 5 under the color variant ED. So I will remove this entire row. So in this way, I will solve my problem. I will go step by step. At the beginning, I will explain the logic that I will apply to solve the problem. Later, I will build my entire formulas. My first criteria is the numbers are greater than 5. If I press enter, it will return true if the number is greater than 5. You can see this is true because this number is greater than 5. Now I will apply the second criteria to solve the problem. Before that, I will enclose this formula and use multiplication sign. And the second criteria is this range is equal to CA. If I close the bracket and press enter, now it will return 1 because the number is greater than 5 and under the color variant CA. And again, you can see this is 1 because the number is greater than 5 under the color variant CA. As I will use this formula 3 times, so I will assign a name. So I will use let function. The assigned name will be X. You can write any other name. And I will use this range 3 times. So I will also assign a name to this range. I will use comma and write Y. I will remove the other part, comma. So the first criteria is Y equal to CA and multiply with X. Use plus sign, and this plus operator will work as a OR function. I will copy this formula to apply for the second color variant, which is ED. So I'll just change the color variant. It will be ED. Again, I will use plus operator and paste the formula. I will change the color variant, which will be JK. If I close the bracket and press enter, now I will have 1 where the number is greater than 5 under the color variant CA, ED and JK. If you can see, this is 1 because the number is greater than 5 under the color variant JK. Now I will sum the number of each row. So I will use by row function, by row, comma, and I will use the sum function here. If I close the bracket and close the bracket, press enter, I will have equal or greater than 1 if it meets my criteria. Now I will assign a name to by row function. I will write that, comma. I will use the filter function to return my expected result. I will select the enter range, comma, and the criteria is Z equal to 0. If I close the bracket and close the bracket, press enter. Now you can see my expected rows have been returned. In the next video, you will get the solution of this challenge using Power Query M code. I hope you like this solution. See you in the next video. Thank you.